Hey, Mahmoud Memberstack here, and welcome to Memberscript 244. In this video, we are going to create a Wistia popover with a custom button, and it would look something like this. Okay, so you are going to have three options. You can either do it with a button style. When a user clicks on it, they will see the video like this. Okay, you also have the option of a link block and an image as a cover, and still the same concept. The user will click on it and then they'll be able to view the video. Same goes for an interactive card like this, where a user will again click on it and be able to see the video like this. So in order to make this work, you are going to need a Wistia account, and then you are also going to upload your video like this, and that will just give you a simple link. So once you have uploaded your video, you are then going to go over to Webflow. So inside of Webflow, you are going to need to add Memberscript 244, and it should look like this. If you're watching this on YouTube, the link to that code should be in the description below, and if you're watching this on the Memberstack site, then you should have already seen the code. You can either add this site-wide on a specific page depending on your specific use case. Okay, so in order to make all of this work, you are going to need a couple of attributes on the page. So you have three options. You can either use a button or a link block and an image, or you can use an interactive card or div. Okay, so starting off with the button style only. Okay, so for the button, you are going to need the attribute of data ms code Wistia pop-up, and then the attribute of ms Wistia video, and then you are going to have a specific identifier or an ID to your video. So where to receive that is once you've uploaded the video like this and you are on this page, you can then look at the URL. You'll be able to see, for instance, my workspace is called memberstack.wistia.com/medias, and then after the medias, you will then have a specific identifier. So a random numbers and letters that you are going to take. Okay, so you're going to copy that over to Webflow, and then you're going to add that in your values over here. Same goes for your link block or image. So for this structure, you are still going to have the same attributes of data ms code Wistia popover, and then ms Wistia video, and you are still going to add the ID of that video. So to build out this link block and image, we have an image element over here, and then we just simply have a div that will hold the play icon like this. Okay, so lastly, we then have an interactive card like this with the exact same attributes of data ms code Wistia popover and ms Wistia video set to the video ID. And all of these open up the video that you have linked with this ID. Okay, so a couple of cool things that you can do is you can see that when I click on the video, I have specific colors configured to my brand like this. So inside of Wistia, what you can do is head over to your settings, and then under brand, you'll be able to customize the color of your player like this, and a few other advanced features if you are on a higher plan. Right. So now you have a way to add a simple popover with Wistia. If you have any questions on this, please feel free to reach out in the Slack 2.0 channel. Bye!